welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a whole bunch of IKEA organization ideas. I went to IKEA yesterday and filled up this entire bag with organizers. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got and how I'm going to use it all around my house. I'm going to pull out the receipt so I can show you guys how much everything was, and I'll also link all the products down below so you guys can check them out as well. But the first thing I found were these 2 plate racks. These are great for organization. These were also $2.99, so that is an amazing price for wooden plate racks. So the first super obvious way of using this is to organize your plates. So I love the way this looks in open shelving or behind your cupboard door, but opening up your cupboard and seeing all your plates all in a row, all stacked really nicely, looks really, really good. It also takes away that noise of pulling out plates and the other ones kind of falling on top of it. This is like a really quiet and nice solution to all of it. It just makes your cupboards look really organized. So I grabbed 1 for my plates, and for the second plate rack, I'm gonna be using this to organize my flip-flops and my sandals. This can actually be a really good shoe organizer because my sandals and flip-flops fit perfectly in these slots. It gives you just enough room, and that way all of my shoes can be laid out. Sandals and flip-flops are so flat and small that you don't really need to take up the space on your normal shoe organizer. Having them in slots like this, all laid out and paired together, looks so much neater. It keeps everything together. You can put it on a shelf, you can put it away in your closet, you can leave it out in the front hall, and I think this makes it look so much neater and way more organized. The next thing is one of my all-time favorite things to use for organizing and just laying things out nicely: the Lazy Susan. I love Lazy Susans. Look at it just spin. This was $12.99 at IKEA. So the first thing I love to use these for are organizing the corners of my pantry. So I have really deep corners in there, and I can't really stick too many things back there because they'll just get lost and forgotten. So when you put the Lazy Susan in the corner and put all your different products or food items on there, you can spin it around and you won't forget about it. It's easy to access, and it just makes it so much easier to grab at things. And that way not everything is moved around. It's just a really easy and simple way of laying out products or food in your pantry. Lazy Susans can be used for so many different purposes, but the area that I'm going to be using this for sure is for underneath my sink. For some reason, I'm scared of going under there. It's dark. I don't know what I'm going to find under there. So I'm going to be using this to organize all my different cleaning products, dishwasher detergent, sponges, anything that gets left underneath there. I'm gonna put on this Lazy Susan so I don't have to go reaching for it anymore. I can just spin it and access everything that I need. So I think this Lazy Susan is a great option for organizing underneath your sink. Obviously you can find Lazy Susans almost anywhere. They all come in different sizes and materials, but I think the one at IKEA is really great quality, and I just like that it's wood, so you can use it anywhere. It looks nice, but underneath the sink is gonna be my best option. This next thing isn't really an organizer, but it can definitely make your kitchen look a lot neater. In our house, we use olive oil a lot. So I got this little olive oil canister, and I thought we could at least put the olive oil inside of this so that it can look really nice laid out on the counter. When the olive oil is left out on the counter just in its normal packaging, it tends to look like you just forgot it and it looks messy. So having it in this really cute canister is such a great option. It's also super small, so you can bring it to the table to use for dinner or anything that you need. But I like that it comes with a little cork, a little spout, and the shape of it is just really nice. So I'm excited to have this laid out on my counter, just looking like a decorative feature. That's like my favorite thing, for things to look organized, clean, but decorative at the same time. This was also $6.99 from IKEA. I've never seen it before there, so let me know down below if you guys have, or if this is new. I'm not really sure, but I just think it's so cute. So this next thing is a really cool way of creating drawers within your shelving. So first you buy the little shelf hanger. This is $3.99 and it comes with a pack of 2. So this gets installed in your shelving, and then these containers, these glass containers, hang from the shelves, and you can kind of pull it out like a drawer. So I think this is such a great option for people that, again, have open shelving, or you can put it in your pantry or any kind of cupboard that you have that has a shelf and use it for anything. So I'm really excited to use these for cat food and cat treats. So I can have them side by side. I can pull it out as a drawer. Everything stays fresh because it's in this container. So I think there's so many different purposes for this system, and everyone has shelves, but a lot of people lack drawer space. So to be able to organize within drawers built into shelves is just such a cool option. So I'm really excited to have my cat food, cat treats in there. So it's just out in the open. It looks clean, it looks visual, and just super easy to access everything. Another great organizer that I know you guys have seen before are the hanging shoe organizers. And these at IKEA are $5.99. So I grabbed 2 of these. I have a really big shoe problem in this house. There seems to be shoes all over the front door and it's just really messy looking. So I'm trying to find a solution to organize the shoes that I don't need to have out all the time so I can have them away. So I thought hanging this on the rod in my front closet would be such a great option to hang all of my shoes flat so it's not taking up too much space. Usually I see these for over the door and that actually like takes up space when you close the door. Having this really slim organizer just hang in your closet with all the coats is super minimal, doesn't take up too much space, and I think it's just a great option for all those shoes that you don't need to have out. And it was such a great price, I actually grabbed a second one. So for the second one, I'm probably not going to be using it for shoes unless I really need it, but my idea for the second organizer was to use it for organizing my bathing suits. I have drawers of bathing suits, bikinis, and I just feel like I can't see what's in there. I don't know how many I have anymore. So I thought it doesn't take up too much space to hang this in my closet. Each pocket can be designated for its own bathing suit, and that way everything is laid out and organized and I can finally see what's what. So these organizers are called shoe organizers, but you can use them for so many different things. Cleaning supplies, makeup, hair brushes, whatever you have a ton of, use these shoe organizers to organize your things. It keeps everything hanging flat and vertical and it doesn't take up too much space. And the next organizer I picked up were these magazine organizers, and I'm not going to be using them for magazines. I thought there's so many other great purposes to use these for. This is the white metal one and it comes with a pack of 2, so there's 2 organizers inside of here. They have them in plastic, in black, in silver, so many different looks, but I thought these would be really great for 2 different purposes. So for one of these organizers, I'm going to be using it for holding all of my potatoes. Right now they're just on my counter, they look really messy, and I'd rather have them put away in my pantry. So I'm going to be keeping all of my potatoes in one so that they're all together, they can breathe through the mesh, and I can see what's inside of there. So that's a really great option. Keeping food that's round inside of these magazine containers is such a great option, just so that everything goes vertical and it takes up way less space than having potatoes kind of like sprawled everywhere. For the second organizer that comes in here, I'm going to be using it in one of my bathrooms to hold all these different face towels that I have. I have so many white towels in one of my bathrooms, so I'm going to be turning this on its side, putting it inside of the cupboard, and using it to organize all of my towels. So I thought by just rolling them and putting them inside of this container, it's going to keep it looking very clean and organized, and that way you can grab at the towels super easily and everything just looks neat and tidy inside the cupboard. So I just think these are a really great buy from IKEA because you get 2 in 1, they're affordable, they're clean looking, and you can use them for so many different purposes. So the last organizer I found was something to organize my shampoo and conditioner and soaps in my shower. So this is a little shower caddy that gets suction cupped to your wall, your tile, your glass, whatever you have in there. So for me, I have a little ledge, but I'd rather keep all of the shampoos off of that and have it up on a wall. So I think this is so great that you can suction cup it to anything. This can be used for so many different ways, again, because of that feature. So you can put it in your cupboards, you can put it in your closet, your kitchen, literally anywhere. So for me, I'm gonna be suctioning it to my shower. It also has the little holes at the bottom to drain any water, so nothing gets built up inside, which I love as well. I just really appreciate this kind of organization because it comes with suction cups. So you don't have to drill any holes, you don't have to nail anything, you just suction it to any surface and you're not damaging anything. So it's super renter friendly as well, which I really appreciate. And I think it's a great option for organizing so many different areas of your house. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all these different ways of organizing your house. I love showing you guys stuff from IKEA because I know so many of us have access to IKEA, and I think a lot of us have similar things. So let me know down below if you guys have this stuff in your IKEA, if you've bought any of these products before, and how you use them around your house. I'm really curious because there's so many creative ways of organizing your home, so it's really cool to hear how everyone else does it. But I hope you guys got some inspiration and motivation to start organizing your house. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you guys never miss a video. I love doing videos that are all about home, organization, cleaning, room makeovers, decorating. If you guys love that stuff as well, make sure you guys are here for it. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!